Hello everyone, welcome back to my J-pop reaction video, and this time I'm gonna do it with AAA or AAA, and the song, the title is in Japanese, so I can't be bothered to translate it in English, so please let me know in the comment section down below what does it mean. And yeah, if you're not familiar with my news format, here it goes. I'm gonna post the MV link in the description box down below. You click on it to a split screen, one for my MV reaction and the other one is for the MV itself. And then I'm gonna start counting down 3, 2, 1 start. You click play on the actual MV itself. So AAA or AAA is one of my all-time favorite J-pop groups, so I like their concept, which is like a co-ed kind of group, you know, not just a boy or not just a girl groups. Anyway, so let's get started to 3, 2, 1 start. Easy. Oh, I really love his smile. Is that a circus ring? Love the jacket. Oh, that guy. He's still blonde. Love the red hat. Is it in a circus? Did you see the girl? Like one of them had really short hair. Love his clothes. I want to own them, all of them. The jacket, the shirt. Wait, when did they film this MV? Cause they look quite young and one of the girls had like really short hair. It shocks me. There you go. But she looks so good though. She looks so perfect in that short hair. Oh, my favorite. I really love this part. Oh, she looks so wonderful in that short hair. Da 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 da. The song is so nice. Even though they like don't do much in the MV. Oh, here's come the rap part. Here we go. I think his name is Sky High, right? If I'm not wrong. Oh, the cheekbones. Why is it raining? And you're not even wet? Like, in some shot, he looks like a chicken to me. Sorry if I offended you, but it does look similar to a chicken. Oh, very nice. I like how this MV is set in like a circus ring, you know? The atmosphere is really nice. Oh, look, all the teddy bears at the back. That is a very good haircut. Oh, I love her voice. She looks so mature, like much. Oh, I don't know. It just really suits her well for the short hair. That is a good skirt and jumper. Oh, I love it. This is so good. you can hear the beat start, like it starts to build up. I really like how they light the ring on fire and they take a picture like in the middle. So nice. Oh, she's not even looking back. Oh, she's in love with another guy, and Nisi, it's just like the third wheel, or like he just has a crush on her, and she's not. Did she even notice? Oh, that looks so cute. Wait, do they even look at each other? AAA. Something something in Japanese, so please let me know what it means in English. That would be really helpful. And yeah, the song was so nice. I enjoy it. I love it so much. I would say it's like one of the top 3 from their songs. Like I really love it. Is it about breaking up, or is it about like first love, or I don't know. Like please let me know what does it mean. And yeah, and it looks so wonderful. Like I said, one of the girls, she had like the short hair. It looks so perfect in it. I love it. 2 thumbs up. And the rest of the guy looks so cool. I love all the clothes, especially the jacket. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Have a good day.